Oh, students, you have understood the pipes and cistern lesson 1 and you have practiced those 5 questions. Yes. So let's try to see the part 2 of this, and you will be finding some of the interesting questions with repeated questions of the entrance examination. Let's try to have a look now. Now let's see this question, everybody. What did it say here? Tap A can fill the tank in 10 minutes. Alright, let me just show you. This is the tap A which is filling the tank in 10 minutes. I repeat once again. Tap A is filling the tank in 10 minutes. And what did it say here? Tap B, if you operate only tap B, not the tap A, not the tap A. Okay, only tap B. Do you think tap B is filling? No, empty the tank. It is emptying the same tank. The same tank it is emptying. Are you understanding, everybody? Watch it now. How much time? 6 minutes. Means tap A is filling, that is positive work, and tap B is emptying, that is negative work. A minus B, both are operated. Who is doing the faster work? Are you understanding? B. Look at that. B is removing the water in just 6 minutes, whereas A is filling in 10 minutes very slowly, but B is removing the water very faster, that is in 6 minutes. If both the pipes are operated, definitely the tank will be empty sooner, not filling. So what did he ask you? Okay, how long will it take to empty the tank? How long will it take to empty the tank? Which tank? Full tank? No. 2/5 of the water is filled in the tank. How much of the water is filled in the tank? There is this 2/5 of the tank is empty in how much time? Following? I don't want this 2/5, guys. I don't want this 2/5. I want the full tank. I want the full tank. Imagine that the tank is full. Imagine the tank is full. How much time it will take to empty both the pipes? Both are operated. How long will it take? Have a look here. Now, I need to take the total capacity of the tank, which I have no idea the total capacity of the tank. I'll assume by taking LCM. LCM of this 10 and 6 is that 60. Believe that 60 liters is the total capacity of the tank. Imagine total capacity is 60 liters. Same 60 liters it will take to fill in 10 minutes, means every hour. 60 by 10, you all know the basics, okay, which I have taught you in the previous lesson. That is 6 liters. Same 60 in 6 minutes. So it will take how much time? 10 liters. So who is removing more? B. Here out 10 liter, fill 6 liter. Definitely, sir, it is doing slow work. It is filling slowly with 6. It is filling. It is emptying 10. So if I do here A plus B, no sir, A minus B. So what is this 6 minus 10? It's minus 4. You know what do you mean by minus 4? Minus 4 means it is going to empty sooner. If it is plus 4, it is going to fill 4 liter every hour, but it is going to remove 4 liter. So if I just try to divide this 4 liter, 4 liter, 4 liter, it will take 15 minutes. So I got the answer. If the tank is full, it will take how much time, guys? It will take 15 minutes for the full tank. Full tank means 1. I'll always say full tank is 1. Full tank, it will take 15 minutes. Suppose the question is not 2/5. The question is how much time it will take for half of the tank. So you will definitely do 15 minutes in full, 15 minutes into half of the tank, that is 7.5 minutes. But my question is not half of the tank. My question is 2/5 of the tank. If 2/5 of the tank is there, how much? So simple, I have to multiply 2/5 is multiply using this cross multiplication. So I'm multiplying 2/5 of the tank will take how many minutes? So 15 minutes for the full tank, 2/5 of the time will be there. That is 5 ones are 5, 3s are. Answer is what? 6 minutes. This 6 minutes it will take to, look at that, 6 minutes it will take to empty 2/5 of the tank. Empty 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes. That's it, guys. So option C is the best answer. So it depends what tank is given. If this 2/5 is not given to you, if this 2/5 is not given to you, it means the total tank. At that point of time, your answer is 15 minutes. But as he told 2/5, you should always understand that if full tank is 15 minutes, 2/5 of the tank, how many minutes? It's just simpler. Cross multiplication. I hope you have understood. Let's try to catch the next question, but don't worry, these kind of questions are there in the practice exercise. It's your duty to practice more. Keep watching. What is this question? Have a look here. 2 pipes A and B can fill the tank in 1 hour and 75 minutes. One tank is taking 1 hour. 1 hour we can say it as 60 minutes, guys. One tank can fill the tank, one tap can fill the tank in 6 minutes, and one tap can fill the tank in 75 minutes. So this is what data is given to you. Now there is an outlet pipe called C, following that if all the 3 pipes are open together, it will take 50 minutes. Following. So let's try to have a brief discussion here. This is the tank. You can see the tank here. Suppose you give a chance for tap A alone. Tap A alone. Tap A is filling, guys. How much time it is filling? Tap A, you check it out here. Tap A is taking 60 minutes to fill. Now it's not the for type A. Tap B. Let's try to see tap B, everybody. Tap B, if you give a chance, it is taking 75 minutes. If you take a chance for tap B, it is taking how much time, guys? 75 minutes. Again, standing, everybody. Tap A, 60 minutes alone. Tap B, how much? 75 minutes alone. Again, standing, everybody. This is the data given to you. Okay, what did you say here? Have a look now. There is an outlet tap called C, guys. Following up, this is the outlet tap called C. What did you say in this outlet tap? If you just try to give the outlet tap, that outlet tap along with all the 3 pipes means tap A plus tap B plus tap C. No, this is minus tap C will give you 50 minutes. Not just tap C alone. This 50 minutes is tap A is also working, tap B is also working, tap C is also working. Have a look here. All the 3 pipes are working. So how much time it will take right now? 50 minutes it will take for all the 3 pipes. I hope you all people are understanding. Is that fine, everybody? So I got the data. Tap A, 60 minutes filling alone. Tap B, 75 minutes filling alone. If all the 3 pipes are open, which pipes? Tap A, tap B, tap C, all are open. It is taking. They are doing positive work. This is doing negative work. All the 3 are working. Stop. How much time? 50 minutes. So what is missing now? He is missing you. How much time will C take to empty the tank? So I have a data of A. I have a data of B. I don't have a data of C, but A plus B plus C is known to you. So we are supposed to take a LCM, guys. What is the LCM of 60, 75 and 50? That is 300. Believe that the capacity of the tank is 300 liters. What is the capacity of the tank? 300 liters. This 300 liters, for example, will take 60 minutes. 300 liters, 60 minutes, 300 liters, 60 minutes. Every minute, 5 liters it will fill. 300 liters, 75 minutes. Every minute, 4 liters it will fill. Now, all the 3 pipes are taking 50 minutes. Means every minute it will take 6 liters. I hope you have got the individual filling of tap A and tap B. Now, what did he ask you? Find the capacity of time C. Okay, so we can easily find out, guys. A plus B minus C is what? 6. We should not do the operations with time, as you all know that. Now, A value is 5 in this thing, B value is 4 in this thing, C value I don't know, we have to find out C value in that 6 liters here. Following, everybody. Why you are doing the operations with liters? Because we should always work with the LCM concept, as I have taught you in combined work. Now, this is 9 minus C is equal to 6. C value is 3. What is this? 3 liters, not days, 3 liters. Who will remove this 3 liters? 3 liters, 3 liters, 3 liters, 3 liters. Who? Tap C. 3 liters, 3 liters. When the tap C, when the tank is full. Suppose same 300 liters are available right now. The same 300 liters are available. If you give a chance only for tap C will empty this 300 liters. How much? 3 liter, 3 liter, 3 liter. So it will take 3 liter, 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 3 liter. So 300 by 3 liters. I understanding when you cancel this thing. The answer is what, guys? 100 minutes. Means if the tank is full, only tap C will take how much time? Only tap C will take how much time? 100 minutes. How? Because our capacity is 300. We have assumed every hour 3 liters. We all know that. So 3 liters, if you take it out, it will become 100 minutes. So best answer is D. I hope students, you are finding this thing easy. Am I right, everybody? Yes or no? That's good. Suppose he told you how much time the tap C will empty the not full tank. For example, half filled tank, he told you. Half filled tank, this much of tank. So how much time it will take to empty the half filled tank? Quite easy. Sir, 100 minutes for a full tank, as I told you in the previous question. 100 minutes for full tank, half of the tank, 50 minutes. How much minutes? 50 minutes. Suppose I told you how much time it will take for emptying 1/10 of the tank. 1/10. 1/10 of the tank. It's quite simple. Sir, in full tank means one full tank in 100 minutes. So 1/10 of the tank, 10 minutes. Are you understanding? These kind of short bits might be asked to you. Are you understanding, everybody? I believe what is the moral of this question is A is given, B is given, A plus B minus C is given. The leakage is given, not given. That's the only one thing. I hope you have understood this. Are you understanding, everybody? A similar kind of question will be there for you after this concept. You will be having a practice exercise. You should never forget to do that thing.